Hello everyone. So till question number 5 we have discussed. Now from question number 6 for chapter 7. In order to meet the ever-increasing demand in factories and for shelter, trees are being continually cut. Is it justified to cut trees for such projects? Discuss and prepare a brief report. We know that cutting the trees at this speed is not justified because trees are very important for us. We have already discussed uses of forest, or forests are helping in maintaining the water cycle, increasing the soil fertility, right amount of CO2 will be controlled, so natural calamities can be controlled. So these all are the reasons. So if we will keep on cutting the trees day by day, then this all may happen and it may affect our ecosystem also. Then how can you contribute to the maintenance of green wealth of your locality wherever you are living? So that is our moral duty to maintain the green wealth of that locality by planting more and more trees and by taking care for them. Water the plants regularly and take care for them so that that plant can be converted to trees. Then how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall? We know that by cutting down the tree, then the deforestation will occur. If deforestation will be there, we know that plants are using the carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. If the plants will not be there, then the carbon dioxide amount will increase, due to which the global warming will be there. This increase in temperature of Earth will disturb the natural water cycle. So as a result of disruption in water cycle, there will be change in the rainfall pattern. Then find out about national parks in your state. In our state, we are not having any national park, but you can see here, one of the national park located near Delhi is the Corbett National Park. Why should paper be saved? That I already discussed yesterday, that near about 17 full-grown trees are used to make 1 ton of paper. So trees, as we know, they are very important to maintain a balance of nature. Therefore, in order to save trees and prevent the impact of their loss on living organisms, we need to save paper. So that is the word puzzle. Species on the verge of extinction, that is endangered. Book carrying information about endangered species, Red Data book. Consequence of deforestation, 5th, downward, that we can say deserts. Then species which have vanished, that is extinct. Species found in particular habitat, that is endemic. Variety of plants, animals and microorganisms found in an area, that is biodiversity. Right? So these are the answers. So that is all the chapter 7 back exercise. Thank you.